Good night. Kindred and to Hat. I am Alejandro. I'm from San Carlos, Antioquia. Today is our fourth department. I am doing the teaching stage of the education, so I will be able to finish and look for a hope to continue with my studies. I hope to continue learning from everything unique. These teaching staff have been very useful and I'm glad to be a better professional every day. I am currently living in my town, San Carlos, you can come. Today I will introduce to you San Carlos. It is a beautiful place, full of rivers, with birds, green areas, and with very good people, and an exceptional place for locals and tourists. The climate is ideal. It is not very hot, but not cold at either. An ideal place to spend a weekend, vacations, and other activities to explore. San Carlos looks like a paradise. This is like being in the steppe of Sea of Colombia. By more than 70 waterfalls, more than 200 rivers, and spectacular bird watching. And maintaining the monumentary, this can be practiced there. Fresh swing, family, and the hope of being there. The people of San Carlos stand out for being victims of the constant violence coming also some many difficulties. It is a tough with story. We are always managed to overcome the whole of its people. The woman warsman isn't from the moment you enter the park principal and you see children playing the elderly and the anecdotes and in general so many attractions that is beautiful place as makes it stand out from the rest. Come and enjoy natural paradise is San Carlos. Good in the life. Thank you teacher and students. My name is Juan Alejandro. Bye bye.